Ndị nna niile ide, ọ ga-adịrị anyị mma ide. Onye ọbụla bụ onye nna, asị m ọ ga-adịrị gị mma. Gị bụrụ onye nna, asị m ọ dị iwere gị mma. Ị ma na ị ga-ebi ogologo ndụ, ị gaghị anwụ ọnwụ ike. Aya, ị ga-atasị afụfụ n'ụwa, riekwe uru afụfụ tara ata. Onye na-achụ ụgwọ ọsọ, onye ahụ ga-akpọju ụkwụ. Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma onye na-eleta ezinụlọ ya. Ndị nna niile, asị m chi m gọzie unu. Onye ọbụla bụ nna, asị m ọ ga-adịrị gị mma ise. Sekebe, sekebe, udeteka. Gịnị na-eme? Why is everywhere so quiet? Today is Fathering Sunday or Father's Day. Fathering Sunday, Father's Sunday, Mothering Sunday, Fathering Sunday. I wrote in here. Fathering Sunday, Father's Day, and everywhere is quiet. If it were to be Mother's Day now, all of us are now everywhere. My mother this, my mother that. No, her name post to her name. Today, what is going on? Where are the wives in the house? Where are the lolos? And then what happens to your dogu? Why are you not shouting? Why are you not making it elaborate that your dogu is being celebrated today? Or the kapasha bawala ni how? Even me as I did since morning, nobody don't call me. Not even one person say my happy Father's Day. Nah, all this gum na fufuni na every night I say by now they take unnecessary risk. Who is it for? Where are the people we are doing it for? Anyway, give to yourself what you have to give to yourself now that you are alive. Because on your blood one attack. Otilo. You money hobble again, but so little na you say na nama they hungry you. Kill them and chop. If say na fowl they hungry you, kill fowl and chop. See, today will be Fathering Sunday. I'm supposed to be relaxing inside my room or somewhere at the parlor, and I will be served like a king I am. But they still see me. I'm in the kitchen cooking just to feed myself. I didn't see anybody to feed me. Wife has gone to church. Children has gone to church. Oluwa boy lebe hoya. Onye ka ho you don't have to tennis. You know, Udmeje is love of his life. Since Obra looked at that woman, I know they hear word again in this house. Every other person is gone. Because the sugar boy, when you can't hear so and the sugar in here, Gawai Bogaj, it's still me. That is more reason why you should take care of yourself while you are still alive. You see all this struggle, everything. Come under 2 seconds. Even these days, she sang to show last respect. But because we have gone abroad and imitated, or we have learned the white man's way of money, she said that our culture remains our culture. On a even Bosana may bury a for makeup artist, and then fish lashes, and then may that they can just showcase, say, may push up, I want to be snatched. Nobody is feeling as if somebody died. It's a very bad thing. Please, I want us to wake up. Today, make sure you celebrate even if your father is gone. Post his picture. All the very unfortunate. Any day you get a WhatsApp status or WhatsApp story. No, somebody's mother or father. That woman is gone. Oh yes. I'm Mami Toka. Oh yeah, I'm getting somebody here. But then you have wine. In the club. Every day they post here, my baby here, my baby that. But they show that mama is supposed to be on their story or WhatsApp status. Oh, a very bad thing. Let's do well in celebrating our parents when they are alive than when they are gone. Today, I've never seen my picture on anybody's post. Maybe I'm not a father enough, or I'm not father enough, or I'm not good to be celebrated. But I keep on. I am busy celebrating even people I don't know. I am busy. In fact, it has become part of me. It's part of me. It has been my life from my day one till now. I'm not doing it because I'm Chief Imo. Go and ask anybody that knows me from day one. It has become part. It has been part of me. I love celebrating people. Giving, when somebody is alive, when the person can tell me, thank you, sir. But look at it today. Even then now, one of the hits today, because that's the first ever song for fathers. Somebody just called me now, sorry to say, from Radio Casablanca Onitsha. Just now. Sapienza Onitsha. Huge man just called now to say he was listening to that song this morning and he decided to call. That was the only person that brightened my day. I say, oh, thank God, at least one person. Egunde banangban kurunkende nenga yana akofu mande when some mukro no brochori pobum no pay. Chifimo, you know go die better. And thank God you are a father. Your children will forget you. They took it upon their shoulders just to pull me down because I sang a beautiful song to praise mothers. Since Abragon came then it baffles me when people still comment on my comment section. And Chifimo, you don't too sing for mothers, sing for fathers one. After how many years? It's almost a year plus now. That song has been going on, has been trending. You've not heard it. But he nature mbemgamu. Ichebele mbemgamu. Apu ichebele mbemgamu. Iga non ichege monwe wobi. Onyobi koronko. Iga non ichege monwe wogi. Onyobi taramiri. Apu na mea. Oloma niile. Kechukulu ranyi no wa nwanne. Ayeji ego iji kwayuwa. Asim oloma niile Kechukwu lụrụla anyị n'ụwa ụmụnne m. Ayeji ego iji kwayuwa. Asim ihe ọma niile o mere n'ezinụlọ mụ na gị nwanne m. Ayeji ego iji kwayuwa. O nwere ihe Chineke merele chifu ime onye aka m ji ekele nụ ya o. Ayeji ego iji kwaya ụgwọ. Ịma na ebe ndị ọzọ gara wee nwụọ ka Chukwu na-edu mụ na-aga na-abata. Ayeji ego iji kwaya ụgwọ. On the 30th of May, ihe dị egwu ga-eme n'ime ndụ anyị o. Ayeji ego iji kwaya ụgwọ. Ịma na gị garuo n'ala London, chifu imo na-akwụ n'elu n'ala le. Ayeji ego iji kwaya ụgwọ. Gị bụrụ onye ihe ọma na-adị mma, soro mụ na ụmụnne m ka anyị kelenụ ya o. Ayeji ego iji kwaya. Asị m ọ bụ naanị ekele, ọ bụ naanị otuto, ọ bụ naanị jaya mma, ọ bụ ihe anyị ga-eji kwaya. Asị m ọ bụ naanị ekele, ọ bụ naanị otuto, ọ bụ naanị jaya mma, ọ bụ ihe anyị ga-eji kwaya. Chineke ọ bụ naanị ekele, ọ bụ naanị otuto, ọ bụ naanị jaya mma, ọ bụ ihe anyị ga-eji kwaya ụgwọ. Ọ bụ naanị ekele, naanị otuto, naanị. Na gawara ahịa ga-agaru, ị ga-amụgide anya until ị ga-agaru. Because of this, I can no longer sleep, I can no longer think straight. I don't even know how to do it on my own without your support, without your tonye. If I come that day, here emegbu m. Mana sị na nwa eze adịrị efu na mba. Onye ọbụla bụ nwa afọ Igbo nwere Chineke, ihe na-anaghị eme ya. The other time, you never allow me to be put to shame. You can never allow this one ka iyirie m. Iyirie m na ndị Igbo anọghọzi na London. So please, I am begging all of you, buy your ticket, go to Kurora Boutique at Willichi. That's another place you can. Okay, on that very day too, we are also going to sell tickets at the entrance. So please, do this now and remain blessed forever. Onagakwa. Onagakwa. Lada, 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 oh. Lada, 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 oh. Our Lord Jesus is our Lada.